Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I talk about PowerColor RX 7900 XT Hellhound Spectral White Edition. So friend, PowerColor is pleased to introduce the PowerColor RX 7900 XT Hellhound Spectral White Edition, the latest addition to its cutting-edge graphics card lineup. And friend, this release follows the success of the 7800 XT Spectral White model and continues to bring distinctive design element to Radeon 7900 XT series Spectral White Edition. And friend, design excellence, the RX 7900 XT Hellhound Spectral White Edition showcases PowerColor's unwavering dedication to exceptional design and engineering. It boasts an entirely white PCB, heatsink and cooling solution, setting a new standard for graphics card aesthetic. And friend, beyond this raw performance, this card serves as a striking centerpiece for any gaming setup, delivering a seamless, cohesive appearance that appeals to enthusiasts who prefer white PCBs. And friend, performance elevated built upon AMD's cutting-edge RDNA 3 architecture. And friend, this edition leads the way in graphical innovations, offering unmatched performance across various applications. This powerhouse is not limited to 4K gaming, it excels in handling demanding tasks from complex AI combination to high-fidelity creative workloads. Its advanced architecture ensures precise frame gaming, delivering an impressive experience whether you are exploring expansive open-world environment or participating in intense competitive gameplay. HELLHOUND Series unleashing power to enhance its durability. The Spectral White Edition incorporates a metal reinforced backplate and a high-quality 14-layer PCB. Dual BIOS functionality allow for customized gaming experience while SPS DrMOS with IMON Digital Monitoring optimized power management. The aesthetic appeal is elevated with a new spectral white LED color while the car's cooling efficiency is maximized through a stretchably arranged heatpipe system and an innovative ringed fan blade design. All of these elements come together make the PowerColor RX 7900 XT Hellhound Spectral White Edition a masterpiece of both performance and design. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.